ST's Transient Voltage Suppressor Smart Selector allows you to select the ESD protection best adapted to your application, rather than the product's parameters. For digital signals, you can choose from among 29 different standards to determine the relevant ESD protection. You can also fine-tune your selection and select the product you'd like to simulate. Basic mode launches a simulation using the default setup. Selecting Advanced mode lets you fine-tune your simulation setup. Log in or create an account in my.st.com to launch simulations. After choosing the correct signal standard for your application, ESD-SIM automatically enters the simulation values. You no longer need to look for an eye diagram or TDR templates. Just click Next. In the Simulation Setup page, you can define the simulation to be run. Select the correct checkboxes for your simulation. Set up your transmission lines design by changing the PCB substrate. Select the bandwidth of your connector to get more accurate results. Select your type of transmission line, either microstrip or strip line. Adjust the electrical parameters and calculate the incumbent physical design of your PCB. Or vice versa, you can adjust the mechanical dimension of your PCB and calculate the physical dimension of your PCB. The same applies for transmission line 2. To modify the transmission line pulse of your integrated circuit to be protected, download the template, open the Excel file, and then enable the addition of the file. Apply the positive and negative voltage and current of your integrated circuit to be protected that you measured using the transmission line pulse method. Save and close your file. You can now upload the file you just created, and your TLP template has been taken into account. You may want to add a serial resistor to improve ESD performance. Let's not add it for now, but click on Next to launch the simulations. Wait for ESD-SIM to connect to its back end, and then press the green button to start the simulation. Now ESD-SIM is running the simulation with the configured setup. The simulation results are ranked according to 3 major criteria characterizing ESD protection: signal integrity, integration, and ESD performance. Signal integrity means that the device has passed the eye diagram and has the highest bandwidth. Integration means that the product has the smallest package dimensions. And ESD performance is calculated based on the TLP behavior of the IC to be protected. Default values are used if not set up by the user. Let's look at our simulation summary. This summary allows you to review all the simulation inputs in a single page, including all the eye diagrams of the devices simulated. Now let's move to the download area. On this page, you can download the ST datasheet for the simulated product and also the ADS library of available ESD protection models. You can also share your design with your colleagues.